Father God, please don't let her go. Please don't let she go. Just make she hold on upon her long time friend them that she have before. Father God, please don't let her go. Please don't let she go. Father God, just make she hang on upon her long time friend them that she have before. What's up, Speak My Mind family? What's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up? Boy, may I tell you, this minute the time sunny, the next minute it rainy, the next minute it cloudy. Howdy? You don't know. It's another cloudy day, Friday evening. Yeah, cloudy, my people. Anyway, my people, what's up, what's up? How you doing, how you doing, how you doing, how you doing? You know, so my plan to take one day off today, my people. Yeah, man, my plan to take one day off today, you know, but me did have to do that video, yeah. Yes, man, me did have to do that video, yeah, cause I couldn't make the bus drive past and me not say me like a 2 cents as usual. You don't know. I don't know not much me have to say. The video now go too long either. But me never like say that, you know. Trust me, never like say the video now go too long, cause when me start chat sometimes the things them just a come and come. But I don't think that one here go too long. Because I say me the plan to take a day off. But you know what to do. So just continue to do the do. Hit the thumbs up as you hit the video. Not when you start watching video. Just as you click on the video, you just click the thumbs up. So just do a double click. You know? Just do a double click. Combination click. Click, click. Video, click. Thumbs up, click. And watch the ads. Alright? Remember the Young Entrepreneur College student. Link also in the description and in the comment section. Pin. Go over there and give her a subscription. May I beg you that for your Christmas gift, 1,000 subscribers. Alright? I know you can't do it, you know. So just come out and do it for me. Alright? If I even a shoe now do it for me. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, Life with Gabby and Chevy. The link in my description and in my comment section pin. And do remember, you ask for it, you get it, the backup channel. Continue to support it. You ask for it, you get it. The Cash App also pin in the comment section. Alright? Just do the do. What better way for me to come out? I couldn't take that day off here again. I have to come out come say something. People, the Yellow Bus was another success. And on the day of the Yellow Bus, I launched my first mountain give back. I have my first recipient also on the Yellow Bus day. So what better way for me to come out and, you know, do a little small video for even 15 minutes and say what I have to say. People, I can tell you, after yesterday, I can tell you I know how it feels to give back. And when I said give back, I don't mean you just get up and a man beg you $10 and you give him, or your friend beg you $50 and you give him, or you know, you just get up and you give your virgin $100 or $200 or $500. The feelings of giving back to people who, some in desperate needs, some just in normal needs, some might fall on hard times. You could have stand up on them foot. Not when I said stand up on them foot, I don't mean like physically, you know? I mean like you could have go around and them at work and them can't help themselves, but because of some form of sickness or them lose them job or them get laid off or whatsoever. You know? And it's not easy to get a job in Jamaica. Not even the people them have them qualification. You understand? It's not easy. So it's not like you can't say you lose a work over this and within a day, you just take a day off and rest, and tomorrow morning you just put on your clothes and you go out there, you go look at work, or you just put out some application and send out your resume, and within 2 days you get a phone call, okay, yes, come for an interview. No, it's not like that. It's very hard to find. Especially suitable jobs, because as you all know, you have people with them qualification have to be doing things below their qualification. just to make ends meet because them can't sit down and wait for, oh, me have a degree. Okay, me have a diploma in science. Okay, I am an IT specialist. Oh, and you can't get no job. You're going to sit down and dead for younger. Not to mention if you have kids and bills to pay. You have to go out there go do something which is below your qualification for earn. And that means you're going to earn less than what you qualify for. You understand? So, job is not easy. So, it feels good to know you go out there and could able to give back to somebody who in need, not somebody in greed, somebody in need. So when I say this, as I say, yesterday was my first day of my channel that I launched a give back program where I give back from my gift. I use my gift to give back to the needy. And it was so heartwarming. It was so, you know, it gave me a little feeling that me I tell you. I feel so good that I could able to do what I do in giving back to somebody who me know for a period of time, over a period of years and stuff like that. And from me knowing, because if you watch the video, you tell you that 94 he was doing security work. That simply means he was an arty person at the time. But I don't remember knowing him from that. I know him brother. I know a brother of his, but I never know him. So I don't know if he wasn't living in the community at the time or what. But I know his brother and I know his mother. And for no say I could able to give back to him after knowing him for a period of time. It was so good. Not to mention that he is also a subscriber of my channel from the early days, because you know when you start your little channel, you know the people them in your surrounding is going to be the first set of people you try to get subscribed to your channel. Not necessarily mean they are going to be the one that support you on a daily basis. Not necessarily mean that they are going to be the one that, you know, always going to be watching your videos. But what? You just get the subscription because you and them is like close. You know, so you can't even take the phone if them don't want to do it, and just do it once them have data in an internet area where them can get Wi-Fi and stuff like that. And he was one of those persons, and as I said, he always commented. You understand? On most of my videos. And it was feeling so good that I could present that little, because it wasn't much. Yes, nearly $12,000 or something, and it wasn't much. But I feel so good. So sometimes I wonder how Auntie feel. Or I don't wonder. Now me know how sometimes Auntie feel, not wonder. Now me know how Auntie feel about this give back. That, you know, when she can able to go to like Society for the Blind, to see that these people are some blind people who, you know, have to probably traverse the terrain of Africa, as they said in the video that she has done, to go by the Society for the Blind up by Hope Road, which is a good distance from Africa, all because of transportation reason. Taxi don't want to pick them up, and I used to in the taxi field, the transportation field. I can tell you one of the reasons why most time these guys might don't want to pick them up. Most of these guys, especially these type of drivers now where you have, we call them lick shot driver. Them driver you're not itching. So you see the time where that blind person got take to come up in the car, him could have probably reached a poppy already. The same as him coming out the car, him could have probably reached yonder already. And this is how them work. They will stop in the middle of the road to take up 2 passengers, and you have to wait for them. But make your car just shut off on you in the middle of the road for a second. Pop! Pop! You hear and I go weird round sound when you look at pay taxi. They don't wait on people. But you have to wait on them. So that is one of the main reasons why these is not, I don't think it's bus fare or the fare itself. It's a time that these people take to go into the car, which it shouldn't really be so. You understand? It shouldn't really be so, but what we can do, just the government now for probably put things in place and say, okay, them have a bus of half a tree will load Just like how them would have the university coaster them park up in a certain area in an amphitry. So when the university student them come, them know them go there so and them go in at the coaster when it's full it move. So them need to get a system like that in place, an amphitry for the blind people them. So when them come, if they go like in a them area there, the bus is there to carry them. You understand? So when the bus full, it move. And in the evening when there is a let-off time, you know, the school now try to get things in place where them have a let-off time, a stipulated let-off time. So if somebody come off 2:30 and some might have something else with them I do, different from the who come off 2:30 and would have to come off like 2:45 or 3 o'clock, you know, say no, the 2:30 people don't have to go sit down and wait for the 3 o'clock because I want to go the bus I go. So when the bus come, it load up 3 o'clock and by say 3:10 it is on its way to half 3. But that's the reason why most time the taxi man them not carry them. But when me I say, you know how good it feel, as me say, me feel the feelings to auntie when she can afford to assist these people. You know how good it feel that when auntie go yesterday to the Mona Rehab. Because when you go to the Mona Rehab, you know, you see different sides of people, you know. Can't move, you're so crippled up, you're so round, you're so can't move, this, that. That's why it named Mona Rehab. It's a rehabilitation hospital. You know? There's a lot of people who get gunshot wounds, stuff like that and whatsoever, and can't move and have to be there for a while. I recently know a girl where her son get injured downtown and he was have to be there for like what? Probably nearly a year or 9 months because I think they also have a time frame where after them deal with you and you're coming on, them like give you like a 9 months or a 1 year. Something like so she said. And after that, you know, and then you have to deal with it. But when me I say it feels so good to me yesterday, so as me say, auntie supposed to feel overwhelming. If you know she can reach out to these people and not just them alone, but others that she has been reaching out to over the period of time that she's in this thing. You understand? And it's still, you can have no hearted people out there because them are people that don't have no heart. Who comes and because of some reason or the other of disliking this woman where some of them never meet her before. You understand? Some of them not even talk to her upon her phone. And they have this, you know, no heart and dislike for this woman. Try to tear down what this woman is doing. You understand? Them now look on the bigger picture say, okay, that woman, you know, so my spirit not take her. She too hype. That woman, I don't like her, you know, she can't show off, you see. That woman, you say this, that, or not, or not. Yes, you not bypass that and say, okay, despite all of that, you know, I want to make me go give her a pass, you know. Because trust me, she have a platform, because you have to say on a fair money, which umpteen times we have seen where she go into her pocket and give away her own money. You don't expect that she go and get up every day. Because me have some money in her phone. Who says she a millionaire and she can't buy the blind one laptop and she a millionaire. She says she a millionaire and she have a compound phone and beg 200,000 for the college student. She couldn't just go in her pocket and give. Why? And she have a platform with a supportive, backative to do so, where it now go hurt one person's pocket. Unless, yes, you do have people who support the platform and support her, who at times might just go into them pocket if somebody needs some assistance and say, okay, I will buy this. Yes, we know that. But in our case where, as me say, pooling is best to assist the needy. Pooling is best. Because when me can't take up 100,000, Amanda can't take up 100,000 and just give, Raina, come again, and give to an individual. If me can give a $20 or $30, me give that, and 50 more, somebody get 100 or 20 or 30 or 10, as how them can pool together and it reach where we want it to reach, to accumulate to the amount, to do whatever the recipient at the time need to do. You understand? So when you know come and go and like, just hate the woman and she this and she terror and she warrior, put that aside, no? Have some art, no? Yeah, man, at least have some art to say, okay, John no star. I don't like her, but when I look on it, still in the dark. A whole heap of people, she use her platform and help. And a whole heap of people out there, thousands of Jamaicans, they've now got overseas, who have platform where it's big as hers, or bigger than Fiara one, or probably just below Fiara one, who not take the opportunity. You understand? To try and help somebody out there in need. Because we always have needy people, you know. We will always have needy people. You understand? So you can take your platform and do something. It must not in the volume of what she do. But at the same time, sure the public say you can do something too. If it's even if you say, okay, you know down there, so I want like a parish around there, so where you live. Want like a area around there, so not have no water. Them have water problem. Use your platform now and get even one chuck of water. If I even every 2 weeks go around there, you might can't give them every day. You might can't give them every week. But at least show we say you do something. If I even every other week, you make sure you chuck of water around there by using your platform. No, you don't use it to do that, but you use it to tear down somebody where I make somebody life each day a better life by using their platform. You see how ugly one is? And God not like ugly. God don't like ugly. You understand? You can give the woman a pass despite you might not like her for certain reason. What is the reason? I don't know. Because there is no reason. Because 99.9 of you when you like her, 99.9 of you want to see the back of her. 99.9 of you. You may say 99. So it come like she just involve right too. 99.9 of you where spread all kind of propaganda and all kind of fabricated stories and tear down our business. You never ever see her and speak to her. You know, she not have no association with, you know, no acquaintance, no at all. You just see the woman in her phone, and because the woman come out and she flash her ear, she can change her ear and phone a friend them can't change ear. Because phone a friend them have to wait for data to available. When she go buy the China ear, she carry it come and she wait and the data go curl it and fix it and twist it different, and then she come on platform and go on like her daughter make the wig or her daughter make the ear. When I buy, she go buy it at China, place it 35 and 25 and $20, and the daughter just get a little different style for show off the public who knows those type of hairstyle and knows around and miss a chin shop it buy. So through that I know can buy the expensive human ear and the Indian and the this and the Taro and the Warrior and the Brazilian and the Scottish and the Argentina, and she can come and she and flash it behind and she. You know? And them look something down and eat the woman for. Them look simple something there, you know. Only eat the woman for, you know. For what reason I don't know. Only can do the same. All you have to do is think positive. Have a positive mind. Don't have a corrupted mind. Cleanse up on your heart. And just be real to yourself and people. You understand? You don't have to come out, come show your disgust, say you hate or dislike somebody because of one reason or the other. Yes, you might not say eye to eye because yes, me not gonna lie. There is people who we're all human beings. And me have people where my spirit can't take. But that not say me I'll come out, and try to tear them down. My spirit can't take you. My spirit just can't take you because you have people where sometimes the energy where them carry, you not feel that energy there. And you want somebody not have to talk up. You want somebody not have to sit down and gossip up. For that happening, you know. Once somebody come in your circle, whether to you, somebody else next door, you're over in your yard, energy is something where you can feel. Real good energy you can feel that from people. And sometimes some people come around you and you observe them behavior and and when you look on them, them facial expression and stuff like that, it just send a bad signal. The energy just not right. So me know, yes, you can have people who you just can't take them spirit, your spirit can't take them and you just know say, boy, yes, I eat that. But you kind of grudge and not hatred for the people them, man. Cause them not do you nothing. Your spirit just not mesh with the person because of one reason or the other, you're not feeling no energy from the person. Or sometimes some of these people, you see them come out with them bad energy. Sometimes you can just feel it and sometimes them come out with the bad energy and you see it. So it not mesh with your energy. So it's like your spirit can't take them, so you avoid them. But you don't need to come out, come bash them. You don't need to come out if she or him and somebody else around there. So in a one little tussle, you jump in at the argument. Yes, man, I too, because why? You will not mess with the person and your spirit not take the person. You don't know where go around there, But guess what? Just because your spirit not mess with the person, you just yes, man, I too. I him take off the buckle off of the grill there, so. And you never see the man take off the buckle, But he was accused of taking off the buckle. But all because you dislike the person for one reason or the other way, the person not doing nothing. You always are going to be against the person. It no need for go some man. I want to stop it, man. You understand? So, people, I'm glad the last yellow bus for the year is another success. Give thanks to all our donors. As I say, when I talk about on a store basket, me never empty. I wish on a store basket will never move. So at no time to care how much you donate, how much you contribute. When you're looking on a store basket and go and take out one and take out to donate and contribute, when you're looking there, it come like you never move nothing. Because as you take it up, and go and look back, it's been replaced. Thanks to Father God. You understand? And that's why we say we're going up like age, we're not coming down. Clean-hearted people. We're going up like age, we're not coming down. So no cure them try to drag we down, no cure them try to tear we up. Them nah see that. You understand? Them nah see that. So people, Auntie and the team, Raina come, big up on yourself, Another successful yellow bus. And hope next year it will even bigger and better. And I was so happy and glad that on the day of the yellow bus, I could have launched my mountain give back also. And I was feeling so proud. You understand? I was feeling so proud. So as me say, me know Auntie feel when she do things like these. You understand? If you know, so she use her platform and she have the support team behind her, to make it possible and be a success that the naysayers can't see it water down at no time. So all I want to do now, continue to big up on yourself, continue to support, continue to reach out to the needy. You understand? Not the greedy, the needy. Because enough time I don't take on things and I get greedy people, When the needy one out, they need it. Alright? So I'm going to shift for us a little bit to end the video, my people. Rain a come, rain. Rain, people, rain. The rain is on again. It's a break from yesterday and a fall. Not like the 3 days before where it just fall here 10 minutes and you know it's going to fall again. Now from yesterday, partly of the morning, it not fall none at all. And then, it fall and stop again and take a long while to come back. So you can't even know if it will continue or it stop for the past 2 days. Yeah, man, people, enough time I'm going to take on things and get greedy people. When they need it out, they really need it. You understand? Rain to put my glass up, I can't wipe it. Okay, I wipe it, I go smudge up the glass. So, like how I'm going to end the video soon. So as I said, big up on yourself, all I want to do is out there who see the need to reach out, and do what you can do. Nobody now put no gun on the head, no knife on the throat or nothing. Want to do it out on your own will, and as I said, not want to do it because you don't want to come at the woman. But we know the real people them. You understand? Someone not do it from the love on the heart neither. Someone do it for clout. Someone just want to hear on the name card. You understand? Nothing wrong with that, you know. If you hear your name called, no, but no intentionally do it because you want your name called. You understand? Because if you go up on 99 platform and donate, you know, say name have a call. But don't go out there and do it where you know say your heart, from your heart, you do it from to hear your name called. No man, you do it from your heart. So it doesn't matter if your name called. It's just that the platform where you go up on, your name have a call. So you have the opportunity to give up a name where people might not know if she's not your government name or stuff. But big up on yourself. Continue to support and stop follow these people. You know, some of them people are overseas where a born Jamaican, but you see them put down Jamaica every day because them have a US citizenship. Remember, on the Bertland, this you cannot get deported, you cannot remove from here. You understand? At any time, Congress and the United States government, the Canadian government, the British government can go in at them congregation and farm and change laws, and it might affect you when you have to come back home. You understand? So stop look down upon Jamaican, stop paint this bad picture about Jamaica, about crime and violence everywhere in the world. You understand? Yes, we agree, we can't deny it. We have a high crime rate, yes. For such low population, but come on, they're everywhere. Just look upon in a main a night ago, and you never hear them this type of something that happen in Jamaica yet. Just like a gang war and kill this boy when I want to work and I fight for turf and I fight for money and all kind of sitting and power. You understand? And they look at one of them want to come rob you and take what you have. And if you resist, you know what happen. Which these things happen everywhere in the world, every crevice and corner in the world. So if you stop stay foreign and put down on Jamaica before you try to help and build Jamaica. Before you try and help and try to see if you can change society. People who are trying to do it will not tear them down because all these college students we are getting assistance. We don't know if them are come to change the world. We don't know if them are come to change Jamaica. But without the assistance to get the requisite skill and education to do so, they can't. And without the proper funding, they won't get it. And if this woman can have her platform and reach out to people like these through her platform and support base, and we not try to tear it down, that simply means we don't want to see Jamaica better. We don't want always stay America and England and Canada and criticize third world country. This is when you see I'm an American citizen. That we don't want always stay America and do. And as I say, for my next channel, when they stay foreign enough for you, I want to criticize Jamaica on the Bertland because we have American citizenship. And enough for you, majority of the family still live here. Some of them have all picnic live here. And only the America how long and can't take them out. Some of them have sister, brother, father, mama, auntie, cousin, sister there. But yet still, we still try to put down Jamaica too. Fortunate you have American citizenship. You understand? Speak my mind, people. Thanks for watching again, As I say, I now make that video go too long because it was just that I couldn't hold back. I have to come out knowing that yesterday I feel so happy. Giving my first recipient. It might not be much, but it only can grow from there. And over call it $12,000 worth of grocery, and could able to give him $2,000 cash to, because things might not in the box where he might want and don't have a dollar to buy it, so at least he have a $2,000 that can pinch and pinch and pinch, to do a little thing otherwise. What is positive? So, I know what it feel and what a great day to do it. Couldn't be a better day than yesterday where you have the final yellow bus of the year. So big up on yourself, and know what to do. Continue to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Remember to hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads. You ask for it, you get it. The cash app is in the comment section pin. $ life is a mission. You know what it is for. Although you ask for it, I give it to you, you gift me. I use the gift to give back someone who's in need. you know, and this thing can only grow after tomorrow, you know. Yeah, it only can grow. More than mind a month time if I even find somebody me can find for help. You know? Yeah man. So make us so it work out. And remember the young entrepreneur college student, our link of our YouTube channel is also in the comment section pin. If you have not yet subscribed to her, please me I beg you know. Give her a subscription, help her channel to grow, help her to help herself. You know, she's trying her ways to make ends meet to find her tuition fee because she's going for her degree. Alright? And we know how university and college how it goes when it comes on to fund if you're not into a millionaire family. Alright? And one might ask how me I this, I'm a blood family. You understand? Probably a stranger who get me and do this every day. But I'm a blood family, and instead of she sit down and wait for mother, father, sister, uncle, niece, relative, friends, or come out here stretch hand, she do her little thing to assist herself. Because she also have her little young entrepreneur business. You can go on IG, which is charmed underscore and underscore trend. That is CHARED underscore AND underscore TREND, and our website is also there, so you can go up on the business page and see something you like, you know, custom made to your liking. You can see one and change it up and say the color you want the name upon it, you want your name, you want your kid's name, you want your husband, your boyfriend name, your daughter name. Yes, so just support her, you know, help her to help herself, give her that courage there. Because you know when time them start out and them have this great intention and initiative, we have to be glad for them, you know. Because you see along the way them see like say boy, and this is why most of them fall along the wayside, because the assistant, the strong assistant is not there for them to carry through, and them fall along the wayside. And that's why I say pooling is good to assist some of these people. And this is why I say I love Auntie I do with our platform, and it only can encourage a lot of us to do it. You know, we might not get as big as she or our platform, you know, who to tell, we don't know, but we just say, you know, if you think say you want to get as big as she or whatsoever, you do what you can do. Just do what you can do. Alright? So big up on yourself. Thanks for watching again. Come to an end of another video. Love you know, as I say, rain and fall like wow out I do there. Yeah. So just big up on yourself and stay safe anywhere you're in the world. All of my Caribbean people, big up on yourself. Oh, and big up to all of my people there. I'm not going to single out the name or call the name, because most of you don't want the name to be called also. But big up all of my people that who within themselves know to contribute towards what going on yesterday. Not care small it is, as I say. Not care nobody feel no way if you send $10, $20, $5. Every mickle make a muckle. Alright? Gratitude is a must. The thought where you have it count. Enough time the heart is willing but the pocket weak. And prayers can fill in for that if you can't stretch your hand. Alright? Big up yourself.